Yo, why are the cars so dirty? Bro, like every day I come out and your car's filthy.
Why does it need to be?
Yo, you have to wash the car.
No.
Okay, turn the car on. Today we're gonna wash the cars, guys. Like, look at this. There's cat paws on the car. You would think that it's an abandoned car. Oh my god, it looks so sexy. Woo! What she doesn't know is I'm about to wash her and the car. Okay? It's time to prank my sister. Damn, pink car, pink dress. I mean purple. No, I mean purple. I mean purple. This is some weird ass shots. What the hell are you doing, bro? Alright, are you ready to wash your car? Yeah.
Wow. Whoa. That looks like you've redesigned my Lambo.
Guys,
That's cool.
this is why you need to wash your car, okay?
It looks cool just like that.
Okay, so right now my mom's gonna hold the camera because basically the hose keeps coming out, alright? Oh! What is she doing? She has to just hold the hose inside the box. Just hold the hose. Like,
What?
hold the hose. Hose.
This stuff is so strong, bro. Do you not realize? I need water. I need real water. Water!
No, it's fake water.
This is Romy water.
What do you mean real water?
Is this real? Is this real? Give me real water.
What are you doing?
There's soap in my eyes.
Right.
Do you understand?
Okay, I'll give you water. I'll give you water.
It's soapy. I can feel
It's
it
water.
soapy. No, it's not water.
Right, you good, bro?
See, I really cannot see.
My sister looks like a walking snowman. Bro, can you breathe?
No.
Here, we got you. Bro, I got you. Are you drowning? Yo, I'm watching you, bro. There you go.
Okay, can we stop it now? Seriously, I'm gonna get a cold now.
Bro, I'm trying to get the foam out your face.
You're just being annoying now. Give the soap.
Here.
Give.
Take this. Oh, no, you're getting me wet now.
My eyes are burning.
Bro, can you open your eyes? Yo, why is your makeup in your eyes?
Yeah, because you just poured like soap. What are you laughing about? Oh my god, my nose is full of soap. Can you stop filming?